welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. Today, unboxing. I've treated myself at Christmas to a project. I was on a number of Facebook pages, and one of them is ElectroTap, and someone posted up a boombox with a CRT for sale on eBay, and it wasn't a lot of money. The original listing was 20 quid, starting bid, or £29 buy it now, and that included delivery. There was a video on it going through everything that was not working with it properly, so I bought it. So we'll do a quick unboxing, and over Christmas we're going to go through what's wrong with it, what needs doing to it, and we're going to get up and running. So it came in this box. You might have noticed it says, "I'm a small bashful beige bunny." That's not what's in this. So let's get this unboxed and see what we got. Lots of newspaper, and then this. Let's just make sure there's nothing else in here before I get rid. Delivery docket. I might have just thrown the power cable over this way. I'll have a look for that in a minute. Let's have a look. So we've now got this. Let's change the camera angle a little bit. That's better. Right, what do we need? Oh, it's just duct tape. Duct tape. More duct tape. Can't fault the way it's been posted. That's that. Past the parcel. Alright, oh, I can see it now. Which way up is it? It's heavy. That's a good sign. Right. Oh, it's facing you guys. Oh, it's upside down. Right, hold on a minute. Let me flip this over. We'll get rid of that. Get rid of this. Look at that. Oh, yeah. You might have noticed. It's got a CRT TV in it. Although it seems to be a little bit out of position. What I might do is reset up on the bench, give you some close-ups, do some nice things on this. Just to run through. So what's that on the back? External antenna. Oh, I see. Right. Yeah, I might just reset up on here. Not as big as I thought it was going to be, but yeah. Let's reset up, looking over onto the bench, and we'll just quickly go through it as it's been received. On first look, I'm really impressed with this. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the bench. So this is what I bought. It's a Sashio, Sashio television, medium wave FM stereo. It's a TCR 500S with a TV. It's black and white TV. I think it's come loose when it's been posted because it's a little bit skew this way. It's a bit mucky in there. I don't know something about this. They did say that it needs a damn good clean. You can see all the dials are just a bit dirty, like it's been stored somewhere. They also mentioned that the aerial had snapped, so I'll order a new aerial. But yeah, I got it because of the TV. If you look here as well, look, I'm going to have to keep these on here for things. Someone's printing off a label that has all the tuner settings for the main TV channels. Back in the day when you actually had to tune a TV in with a knob. So let's have a quick look at it. I did find the power adapter for it, so let's just quickly fire it up. We're not doing a full breakdown on this today. We're just purely going to see what I got in the post. So let's have a look what we got on the back. Oh, the TV's on. No. So what TV? Look at that. It's flickering. It's not flickering. That's my camera lens on the my phone that I'm recording on. So this is a perfectly just crackling white screen. Snow screen. See, yeah. I can't talk. Static screen. So I'm happy with that. So there's no aerial. Obviously, there's no analog signal in the UK anymore, so I can't test that. I've got an idea how to test it. It may well involve bringing my Mega Drive in here, because who can't beat doing some Mega Drive playing on a black and white TV that's only 4 inches across? Perfect. Let's have a quick look, see.
Multiplayers set up knees and elbow.
Yeah, we got some sort of radio signal there. So there's no aerial on this, so that's going to be a bit awkward to check. I'll get a new aerial sorted. Hello, Finn. How you doing, mate? You coming to join? We'll have a look. Right, get down. Go up. So look, standby on and off. That was already on. It just needs a damn good clean. The cassette deck I do know doesn't work. Let's just see if we can hear the motor running. Play. Yep. See if it's. Yeah. Motor's running. Belts have probably gone in it, so I'll do a belt change. We'll give everything a clean up. It's just been stored somewhere, dusty. The back of it, you can see it's slightly discoloured. I would imagine this would be in a brighter silver at some point. So have a quick look in the battery, right? How many batteries do you reckon? Look at that. Whoever sent this did a fantastic job. Silica gel in the back of it. Brilliant. 9D batteries. There's a little bit of corrosion on these. To be honest with you, I don't think we'll be using the batteries in the back of this. Although I might test it. What's that for? I'll have to download a manual for that, see what that's for. Unless that's for a battery adapter, so you can do it external. What have we got on the back of this? Obviously, that's for the aerial to go to this, but obviously you can plug in a normal TV aerial into that. Contrast, brightness, vertical hold for the TV. You know what? I'm really happy with that. I'm really happy with that. So yeah, quick show and tell and unboxing of my new toy. Over Christmas, hopefully, if I can get the aerial delivered, we'll do a refurb and build video on it, and we'll take it apart and get to the belts. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for the next video over Christmas, maybe just into the new year if I can't get the aerial in time. But again, thanks for watching. Look out for part 2. Cheers.